Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must prepare your Huawei Nova 8i before updating or recovering the system. Charge the phone to at least 50% to avoid power loss during the process. Backup photos, contacts, and settings to cloud or PC so you keep essential data safe. Free up at least 5 GB of internal storage for update packages and temporary files. Keep a quality USB-C cable and a PC with high suite installed for wired updates and advanced troubleshooting. You can update your Nova 8i using 3 reliable methods depending on the situation. Use OTA updates through settings when you have stable Wi-Fi for a quick and safe install. Connect the phone to a PC with high suite over USB-C for larger firmware packages or when OTA repeatedly fails. For manual installs, copy the official update. Zip to the SD card root, then reboot to recovery, and choose Apply Update from External Storage to begin installation. You can recover a non-booting Nova 8i using built-in recovery tools and e-recovery. Enter recovery by holding power plus volume up simultaneously while powering on the device until the recovery menu appears. Use e-recovery with a Wi-Fi connection to download and reinstall official firmware when the system cannot start. Choose Wipe Data or Factory Reset only after backing up, because this action deletes user data. After recovery or reset, restore your backed up files and reconfigure accounts and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.